Now let's talk about the CAGED system. So what is the CAGED system? The CAGED system is basically a way to unlock the fretboard by using open chord shapes that are all connected to one another. And these open chord shapes are C major, A, G, E, and D. And that's why it's called CAGED, because it's C-A-G-E-D. Now, the cool thing about these chord shapes is that they are movable. So if I play the C major chord right here, and I actually move it up 1/2 step and bar across the first fret, I can still play the chord. But the only difference is now the chord is moved up by 1/2 step. So now I'm actually playing a C sharp major chord. And I can go on and on. The same thing goes for any of these other chords. So for example, if I play this E chord right here and I move it up, I can go on and moving up and down the fretboard, which means you can use any of these open chord positions to play any chord in any key. That's basically what the CAGED system allows you to do. However, it gets really interesting when we play a C chord using all of these open chord shapes, because then you get to see that all of these chords are actually connected. And once you see that they are connected, you can see how you can basically unlock the fretboard. So for example, I can play this C chord in open position here. Then I can play a C chord using the A shape by doing so. Now you can see the notes that I use in my C chord here are also part of my new A chord that I'm playing here. So when I play the C chord here, and I play the C chord using the A shape, this note here for my C chord becomes the new root of my A chord that I play here. If I play a C chord here using the G shape, this C chord using the G shape is connected to the A chord that I played earlier on the 3rd fret. If I play a C chord using the E shape, this again is connected to the previous chord, and so on and so forth. So once you play a C major chord using all of these open chord positions, you'll see how each chord starts the next chord and all the notes are connected. And once you understand that, it becomes very easy to play scales across a fretboard, which allows you to unlock the fretboard.